Bullish Atari token cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 2 cents by 2030. Market experts accept ATRI could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish Atari token market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Atari token presentation. The Atari token is a remarkable symbolic that can possibly have an impact on the manner in which we cooperate with the computerized world. With its ERC20 convention and decentralized record innovation, the Atari token can possibly give another method for installment inside the advanced world that is both effective and secure. In this aid, we will give a top-to-bottom examination of the verifiable value activity of the Atari token as well as an itemized figure of the base, normal, and greatest value upsides of the token before very long. What is Atari token? The Atari token is a digital money token intended for the gaming business. It depends on the Ethereum blockchain and uses the ERC20 token norm. Atari token is planned to be utilized for the purpose of installment for labor and products inside the Atari environment, as well as a store of significant worth. The Atari token undertaking can possibly reform the computerized amusement and gaming ventures. The group is made out of experienced experts and is educated by some regarding the most notable names in the space. The task is at present live in Tolerating Ventures organization. The Atari token group is likewise dedicated to areas of strength for building with the gaming business. We accept that the gaming business is the ideal use case for the Atari token. The Atari token and Luna PR have joined forces together to make the impending blockchain gaming token. ATRI and Litecoin have collaborated to make ATRI one of the acknowledged installment techniques for the Atari token deal, which occurred in November 2020 and brought $2.5 million up incomplete during its public and confidential deal adjust. The Atari token has collaborated with the Sandbox, a blockchain-based virtual climate where clients can make, develop, buy, and exchange computerized resources, the type of games. Notwithstanding its coordinated efforts with Litecoin and Luna PR, holders of Atari tokens will actually want to utilize their tokens to purchase in-game products and encounters thanks to the collaboration with the Sandbox. The Layer 2 Polygon Convention on the Ethereum organization, which permits quick exchange speeds and reasonable exchange expenses, has additionally joined forces with the Atari token. ATRI holders will actually want to utilize their tokens to purchase in-game products and encounters because of the collaboration with Polygon. Atari token current cost. Atari token is at present worth $0. ATRI has moved 3.49% as of now with an exchanging volume of $3,547. Atari token is at present position 1014 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $4,029,456 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Atari token to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Atari token market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Atari token value expectation 2023. Atari token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The ATRI cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. ATRI is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Atari token value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Atari token ATRI cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Atari will before long outperform $0. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the ATRI's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ATRI will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Atari token value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 1 cent and ATRI might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ATRI is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of $0 2025. Atari token value expectation 2026. On the off chance that Atari token effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money fans, The ATRI coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ATRI will be green in 2026. The ATRI is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 1 cent, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Atari token value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the ATRI cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 1 cent by 2027, with a base cost of 1 cent anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ATRI has a most extreme value worth of 1 cent. Atari token value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 2 cents. On the off chance that a TRI figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 2 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help ATRI needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 1 cent. Atari token value forecast 2029. While ATRI is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at 2 cents and a yearly cost close above 2 cents in 2029. Atari token value forecast 2030. By 2030, Atari token will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 2 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 2 cents, averaging out at 2 cents. Atari token value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme ATRI cost in 2031 is projected to be 3 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 3 cents. And, all in all, Atari token is a computerized money that can be utilized to buy games, in-game things, and other substance on the Atari stage. The Atari token is presently not accessible for exchanging on any trades. It is clear that the ATRI cost has a great deal of potential for development later on. The essentials and specialized investigation both highlight a splendid future for the ATRI cost. Financial backers ought to watch out for the ATRI cost and think about putting resources into this promising venture. What is the Atari token cost today? Today, Atari token is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $4,029,456. Is Atari token a wise venture? Atari token ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is savvy to say that a TRI is a decent decision of speculation. How high might Atari token at any point go? The typical cost of Atari token might perhaps reach $0 a year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Atari token might outperform 2 cents. What amount will Atari token be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising ubiquity of digital currency and Atari token, a drawn-out interest in ATRI could see the value ascend to 2 cents inside the following 5 years. What amount will Atari token be worth in 10 years? On the off chance that you put resources into Atari token today,